Well, guys, today let me give you an amazing tour of a beautiful building here in Dubai, because a lot of you have been asking me, what can I get for my money? So today I'm actually at the opening of my very good friend Daniel, whom I interviewed recently. If you want to check it out afterwards, feel free. And yeah, he's building tower after tower in Dubai. And this is the latest one that they just sold to a lot of investors. And yeah, give you a tour around, see what you can get for your money. And it's really incredible. I mean, look at this view now. One of the kitchens over here. You can see really top-notch quality. I bought myself from a different developer. One of the more famous ones in Dubai called Emar. It's nice, but the finishing is nowhere near as nice. Really, really amazing. You will see later on, we have all the amenities, the pools, concierges. And yeah, this is right now the penthouse apartment where we're in. So I'll give you a tour, but then to go down also later to the one bedroom. But yeah, honestly, I don't see so many places that you can find like this in Europe. So it's really, really impressive stuff here. So yeah, let's go on a little tour. All right, here we are. Bathroom. Light doesn't work yet, so you just have to get an idea, but yeah, that's beautiful. Nice inbuilt. That's my wife. Yeah, but look at these views. I mean, wow. Floor to ceiling window, over 2 floors. Absolutely incredible. And really, really nice views. There's JVC over there, the famous 5 hotel. And yeah, you can see this whole area over here really being developed. So it's, when I was living here many years ago, there was nothing. And now it's really, really picking up. And here you see another bedroom. So really, really very nice size. Yeah, just a cool place, what can I say? So the whole idea here is really to invest in the B location, but get a top property in the B location. Because A location is always going to be something new, but B locations, honestly, is a really smart investment. And yeah, speaking to some of the investors over here, I mean, they've really been renting out at very nice premiums compared to what they paid, actually much higher than, as I said, what I'm currently getting, what I bought, which is, arguably, let's say, A- location. All right, going down to the living room over here. And you can see really nice size. Definitely very inviting. Nice little storage. Beautiful kitchen over here. And yeah, looks absolutely gorgeous. Here is another huge apartment. Look at this. Unbelievable. Let's have a look over here. And I mean, look at these views, guys. Really, really stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And yeah, the cool thing is, guys, it even comes, of course, in Dubai with a beautiful pool. That's the beauty when you buy property here. In Europe, you'll never get this. And here, everything comes with a pool. It comes with a fitness gym, concierge. Yeah, look at this. I mean, infinity views here. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Some more over here. I mean, the kitchen is just absolutely stunning, I would say. And yeah, really, the materials are really, really top notch. Really top notch. And yeah, let's go upstairs. Here we can see the bathroom. Really quite nice. So yeah, I mean, quite impressed, literally. And I mean, these views everywhere. Look at this. Super, super nice. Really super nice. Yeah, wouldn't mind living here. This could be the YouTube studio. Yeah, all you need is here. And so these are basically the penthouses over here. So they're spanning over 2 floors. And yeah, these are the top floors. And yeah, more or less, these units are priced at the time was around 1.6, 1.8 million, which is 400,000 euros. When you think about it, I mean, yeah, it's a lot of money, but honestly, ask yourself, what are you getting for 400K, in many European capitals, right? We're talking about living in Dubai, and all this finishing is around 140 square meters or so, and it's unbelievable. And right now, apparently the rent is around 200,000 dirhams per year, which is around, what is that, 50,000 or so. I mean, that's a lot of money in terms of rent, So some of them are living themselves, some of them are renting it out. Really, really quite attractive return when you think about the yield because in Europe, you won't be finding such a yield for sure. And again, guys, all of them are coming, as I said, all the amenities. Look at this, the pool down here. It's just really, really incredible. I mean, so nice. And the good thing is, if you buy it for 1.6, 1.8 million, I met some of the investors here that actually bought, 2 one-bedrooms. In this case, one bedroom was around 250,000 euros at the time. So if you buy 2 of them, you get the golden visa. And with the golden visa, you can live here 10 years and you get the visa for 10 years. That's, of course, really attractive. And yeah, a lot of benefits for that, obviously. But yeah, I mean, look at it. All the guys over here. All of them have bought a unit over here. Some of them, as I said, they're living here. Some of them are renting it out. But yeah, overall, very, very impressive. All right, guys, so here we are in the 1-bedroom. Let me switch the camera around. So you can see here, very nice. Actually, really cool. You have this space over here, quite light. And then you have the beautiful balcony right here. And yeah, this is the view you're gonna get here. Of course, on the balcony to this side, it's a bit louder. You have the cars, sure. But at the same time, I mean, the soundproofing is actually really good inside, to be honest. Really like that. Much better than many other places I've seen. But yeah, I mean, the view is lovely. And of course, to the other side, if you want that, it is much more quiet. But yeah, look at this. I mean, that's all. Usually when you buy in Europe, what we bought now, it's all gray finish with nothing inside. And here you have all these things already ready to go. I mean, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this. Stunning. That's the finishing you're gonna get. Even here, some different. This is microwave, oven, Electrolux. Really not top of the line, but very, very solid. Because this way you also feel more comfortable if you wanted to rent it out, of course. So I think it's really a great option, especially if you want to have a return on investment. But as I said, people I met here, a lot of them are actually moving in themselves. So that's really, it makes sense because it is a lovely, lovely place. So yeah, it's just, again, I bring back the question, if you do it for investment, that's great. But even if you do it for yourself, it's a beautiful, loving area and quality of life here. So I think it really, really makes sense. And as for the price, more or less right now, it's around 250,000 when they bought it. So the price went up already quite a bit. I think now you can sell it for 300,000 around. And if you rent it out, it's anywhere from 60 to 80,000. So they're not officially rented yet. So we'll see what the actual rents will be. But so far, I think it will be around 60 to 80,000. So again, divided by 4 to get to euros. So that will be, what is it, like 20,000 a year. So really not bad. And again, that will be tax-free, which is awesome. Do it first.
Which floor we go now?
1 floor down. Alright guys, so here we have the gym. I mean, look at this. Really not too shabby. Really not too shabby. Definitely gets the job done here. Can pump the iron. What is this? Oh, okay. Alright, gotta do it. But yeah, really very, very lovely. Can't see the view right now, but I think in general, you definitely do have a nice view over here. Street view, I suppose. And even, as I understand, there's some kind of sauna here. So I'm not sure where that is, but somewhere it should be. Over here. Did you find the sauna? Yeah? Where is it? Here. No, so here we have the sauna. Look at this. Jacuzzi, sauna as well. Really nice. Very impressive. Yeah, I mean, that's all part of the environment. So really, it's all part of the deal. Very, very impressive. You impressed?
Impressed.
Alright guys, here we are at the greeting. When it started the event, you can see all those people. I mean, the coolest thing for me was that all of them basically followed Daniel through social media, Instagram actually. That's how he built his company. I mean, really, really impressive. He's so different to many other brokers. And yeah, you can see the area over here. That's Daniel, by the way, the one on the left. Such a cool guy. I knew him when he was a DJ and now he's selling hundreds of millions of real estate in a year. Absolutely unbelievable. All through the power of social media. And all of those guys, they just bought it online. Some of them never even been to Dubai. They just followed him, bought him, and well, now have a great return. You can see here, nice party. Really, they looked after us extremely well. It was really, really fun. Obviously some speeches later on, so much food and so on. And it's also such a nice touch, right? When I bought my apartments in Dubai, there was nothing. I got an email saying your apartment is ready, pick up the keys. Got a little welcome gift, that's it. But yeah, that's just next level. It's nice that they really keep the tight community. Everybody's here together, having fun, having a good time. And yeah, honestly, I really enjoyed that afternoon. I mean, it's just amazing to see how Daniel and his company is growing. He started off as a one-man show, and now I think he has over 40 people working for and with him. Unbelievable. And yeah, really enjoyed it. And I think those investors did a smart decision investing over there. Hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful to get an idea of what you can get for your money, which is really so much more than you get in many other places. That's why I love Dubai as a real estate investment. And again, we're still early on, right? When you think about it, that we're currently only around 3.5 million people. I think by 2040, the goal is to reach 7 million. So it's going to double in population. So they have to live somewhere. So I think there's still so much potential. And especially when you compare the value for money, what you get right now is just unbelievable. You know, I mean, if I compare to Europe, you just cannot compare, right? Especially also in terms of rental yield, you know, the rent versus investment is so much better here. So I still think we're early days. I believe only now we're back to 2018 or 2019, if I'm not mistaken. So it hasn't really skyrocketed the prices. Obviously, after the slump we had the last few years, it has come back, but still only to previous highs. So it's not like some new crazy peak. So I still think we have a long way to go. The market will still mature. So I really do believe there's still a lot of room to grow in terms of price appreciation, capital appreciation for your money. But let me know if you want to see more of these real estate kind of videos, you know, maybe explain different areas where people can live, what could be potential good investments and so forth. But yeah, really excited about real estate. I love it. It's actually been my best investment so far, so I can really recommend it. And if you are interested as well and potentially want to invest into real estate in Dubai, then I'll leave a link down below which you can click, enter your details, and I'll share your details with Daniel's team. They will reach out, get in touch with you, and see, you know, what are the potential investment opportunities for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.